Hello, and thank you for joining us today in a new series of videos called In the Shop with Miro Concepts. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to replace your rechargeable battery that comes with your SR260 remote over to non-rechargeable alkaline batteries as you wait to get the new rechargeable battery in. So the SR260 remote comes with a rechargeable battery in it. That battery can last several years, but after times of recharge and off charge, the battery itself will get depleted and no longer hold a charge properly. So in this video, I want to show you how to switch it over to alkaline batteries while you wait for your new rechargeable battery to come in. And so what you're going to do is flip over the remote. You'll see the tab here to remove the back battery cover. You're going to pop that off, and then here's the actual battery pack. So the battery pack sits in here nice and snug. The easiest way to get it out is to turn the remote back over, place your other hand down below, and then tap on the back of the remote. That'll release the pack. You're going to pull and slide the pack out, which will leave this cavity here. And as you see, there are indicators showing that you can use AA batteries here. You do not want to use rechargeable AA's. You want to use standard alkaline. So we're going to go ahead and put these in. There's 4 of them. And then once those are in, we're just going to put the pack or the door cover back on. Now that's back on. As you see, we got our screen here showing that the remote now has a fully charged batteries in it. And there's your battery indicator there showing a full charge. The batteries, once you switch from the rechargeable to the alkaline batteries, you'll get about 4 to 6 months of use out of them before they'll need to be changed. But in that time, your Control4 dealer should be able to source a new rechargeable battery. When you do get that new battery, it's kind of going to be the same procedure. So we'll act as if this is the new battery. We're going to flip this over, pop the cover off, and then kind of the same thing as we did before. We're going to tap and your batteries are going to release. And then here's the other ones out. Then we take the new battery pack and we're going to put this in with the markings towards the front and your charging tabs here facing up. We slide that in, goes into place, and put the cover back in place, and we have a battery back in place, the rechargeable that can go into your charge cradle. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave comments below, and we will be providing more videos like this coming hopefully on a weekly cadence to give you best practices and tips on using your Control4 system along with other systems within your home that have to do with around your smart home technology. Thank you again. Have a great day.